Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kings220, and I just it's been a while since I made a video. I just wanted to come back on and show you guys what my look is gonna be for the summer. I've been getting tons of compliments on this hair and this makeup, and I think it's really simple and easy to do, especially for someone who doesn't really, who's not a makeup artist and who doesn't go crazy with the eyeshadow, like unless I'm really in the mood. But this is my favorite go-to summer look, so keep on watching if you like what you see. So first I'm gonna start by priming my face with the Sephora Matte Tan Micro Smooth Powder and the Sephora Pro Small Blush Definition 74. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite foundation, the Urban Decay All Nighter in the color 9.75. I'm just going to tap that all over my face. I like to use half a pump at a time. Just rub it in. I don't like to overdo it. Then I'm going to go in with my NARS, I don't even know, Luminous Liquid Foundation in the color New Guinea. So this color is a bit more dark and oily, so I just tap that around the perimeter of my face. I have combination skin, so it works out best for me, and I like to tap in my foundation with my fingers. I feel like it warms up the product and it just really like melts into my skin the way I like it. So halfway through starting my video, I realized I didn't have my light on. So there I am, slightly shocked. What was I doing? Now I'm going to conceal my eyes with the Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS in the color Medium Dark 2.6. And I love this color because it's so yellow. Just like me, I'm like yellow like The Simpsons. I'm going to tap that under my eye and my T-zone on my chin. And then I'm going to go in with the Sephora Make No Mistakes High Coverage Concealer. I like this one because it just brightens up the look a little bit more. I feel like the yellow kind of blends into my skin, but the Sephora concealer really brightens it up. And then I love this brush. I use this to blend in my concealer under my eye. It's the MAC 286. It's just a flawless finish, honestly. I don't know what I would do without it. I swear I'm the only YouTuber that doesn't use a beauty blender, but I love the brush. Now for the contouring with my LA Girl pressed powder. It's a matte pressed powder. I'm using the brush MAC 116S. Sorry. So if you notice, I am just going swipe right under my cheekbone and then I'm blending upwards. Over time, I've just found that this is what guarantees a flawless finish. So I like to contour just underneath my jawline and around my chin. I feel like it's kind of like, you know, when you use Facetune or any other tool and you sharpen your face in a picture, I feel like it gives that kind of effect in real life, you know, just to sharpen everything up and brings everything together. So I don't know about anyone else, but I just learned how to contour my nose, and the trick is just going like right from your eyebrows to the tip of your nose, like the side of your nose, and then going right across just above the tip of your nose and right underneath. So I'm using Jaclyn Hill's palette. I think she collaborated with Morphe. I'm using that color there. She didn't label the colors, but that's my color there. It's like a brownish, rosy-ish kind of type of color, and I'm just putting that in the crease of my eye and then blending it down towards I guess the bottom of my eye. I don't know, I guess we'll call it that. I'm just really blending it out to give it sort of a smoky look. I feel like this kind of just looks like my eye. I really have that black eye look naturally, but this is a little bit more flattering. So as much as I'd love to let you know what the fancy name of that brush is, it's really just a small flat like eyeshadow brush that I got from NYX. Very cheap, probably about 10 bucks. I'm going in underneath my eye with that same color I showed you from the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm just gonna go in with a liquid liner from NYX and try to do a wing. It's not my biggest skill, guys. Honestly, don't judge me. All I do is follow the shape of my eye and just like keep going until it gets thicker. So this is about as good as it's gonna get, guys. So now I'm just going to go into my waterline with some NYX black eyeliner. It's been a while since I've rocked the eyeliner under the eye, but I've been feeling it lately. So now my favorite part, I'm going to use the silver eyeliner from NYX to brighten up the crease of my eyes. This eyeliner is the bomb. Now I'm going to use the Box of Mascara in Black is Black, and I'm going to use that to sort of shape up my eyebrows, and I'm going to apply it on my top lashes as well as my bottom lashes. Okay, so now for the lips. I'm going to use this lip liner that I got from ColourPop. Oh my gosh, can I speak? In the color Ami 3, I think it was. It was a long time ago. And then I'm going to tap my lips with the same color I used from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to mix that in with some lip gloss because it's kind of dry. Then I'm going to go in and highlight my nose with the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo. So typically I would be done, but just for the culture, I'm going to throw on some eyelashes because I just feel like it wouldn't be a YouTube video if I didn't. So I'm just throwing on some lashes I got from Shoppers Drug Mart, very natural looking lashes. So this is the final look, just a reminder. Please don't mind that eyelash to my right, it's kind of retarded AF, and I just realized. But show me some love on the gram and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.